Welcome back to another edition here in the laundry room. How was that, Arthur? All right, so I just use regular, again, you would see Tide and Ajax and bleach. Actually, I do have some bleach. I used it once on one of my shirts that I really like. Whatever, I think bleach has mercury in it, but I'm not really, like, I don't try and eliminate every single way of exposure. I just do the best I can. And it's important for me to look good and have my whites look good. So sometimes you take a little, mercury to look good, So, Ecos is a good company that makes the plant-based detergent. Borax is a really good booster. This stuff is for whitening powder. That's just basically baking soda, sodium bicarbonate peroxide, oxygen bleach, and baking soda. And also I use regular baking soda. That's pretty much, this regular baking soda and this are kind of the three things that I normally use. And again, people are normally using Tide, Ajax, stuff like that. You can smell the chemicals on it on a regular basis. And then people use, you know that smell when you walk by someone's house? Well, you guys probably don't know about that in India. Do you have machines? Do you have laundry machines in India? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But
you have to go specially for those because you don't have it in your house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the machines, you can smell that vapor, that chemical smell, that fragrance, and that is actually VOCs. A lot of that is VOCs. So yeah. I would say to avoid avoid all that stuff, all the stuff that you find in conventional grocery store for your laundry. I would say to avoid all of it. Unless you're trying to look pretty, then maybe check out some bleach every once in a while,
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were